Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how long Tongkat Ali takes to work. Follow each step and track your symptoms and dosage consistently. Start with a low dose, record baseline energy, mood, and libido, then increase only if needed. Allow at least 2 to 4 weeks to notice subtle changes, and consider 8 to 12 weeks for fuller effects. Consult your healthcare provider if you have concerns or take medications. Evidence suggests Tongkat Ali may influence testosterone and stress hormones, but responses vary by person. Start with short cycles and use standardized extracts to help consistency. Track sleep, training, and diet because these factors change results. If you experience side effects, pause and reassess dosage or product purity. Results often depend on baseline levels, product quality, and adherence to a consistent routine. Be patient and review progress every 2 weeks. Quick recommendation: if you need a reliable water bottle during supplementation, try the O-Ala for easy sipping and spill-proof design. It's lightweight and fits cup holders. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and stay hydrated while you track progress. The bottle makes dosing days just a bit smoother. Now let's get back to the video. Expect individual differences in timing and magnitude of benefits, so avoid unrealistic expectations. Combine Tongkat Ali with good sleep, proper nutrition, and progressive training for better outcomes. Use breaks between cycles to prevent tolerance and reassess goals regularly. Keep a simple log of dosage, symptoms, and lifestyle factors to spot patterns. If combining with medications, consult your clinician to avoid interactions or unexpected effects. Patience and consistent tracking are the best allies for understanding benefit timelines.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.